Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I have uploaded a video on teaching aptitude and today I will continue after that. So हमने इतना तक किया था and then we have the forms of education: formal, informal, non-formal. So you can take a screenshot. These are not very important, you can see. So I will not read it out. See, there is a flow chart: forms of education, formal, informal, non-formal. Formal कैसे होता है? Pre-planned and organized, imparted through institutions like schools, colleges, etc. Informal, it is indirect and spontaneous, imparted through day-to-day activities from home and community. Non-formal, flexible, open system, imparted through conscious and deliberate efforts. Then we have the major aims and objectives of education. So you can take a note of this or you can take a screenshot. Factors determining educational aims. Okay, these are not very important, but still you can go through it. Concept of teaching, and here comes an important thing, that is basic teaching models. So there are two kinds of teaching models. One is pedagogical and the other one is andragogical. Say, this is important, it often comes in the exams. Pedagogical is that one where it is instructor dependent learning, where the students are very much dependent on the teacher. That is pedagogical. And andragogical is self learning, learning through discovery. अपने आप ही सीखना, खुद से सीखना, टीचर के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट उतना नहीं होना. दैट इज़ एंड्रोगॉगिकल. नेचर और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ टीचिंग. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ टीचिंग इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग. It has different levels of teaching. It takes place in a dynamic environment. It is closely related to education, learning, instruction and training. It is essentially an intellectual activity. It is an art as well as a science. It tends towards self-organization. Now the major shifts in teaching. You can take a note of this. What are the differences between pedagogy and andragogy? It is teacher-centered, it is learner-centered, it is fixed and it is flexible. Here the teacher's direction and decisions are given importance, and here learner's autonomy is there. Autonomy means learner का ही you can say इच्छा या उसकी ही मर्जी. Learner's autonomy. Teacher's guidance and monitoring. Here teacher's facilitation, support and encouragement. यहाँ पर बस टीचर का encouragement या facilitate कर देंगे, but the teacher will not be the, you can say, the main part of this kind of teaching, andragogical. But in pedagogical, the teacher is the main part. He is the one who is monitoring, he is the one who is taking note of everything. But in case of andragogy, he is just a supporting, like of supporting person or encouraging person. Here in pedagogy, it is passive reception, and here the active, because student अपने आप से सीख रहा है, discoveries कर कर के सीख रहा है, तो that is active. Here learning within the four walls, here learning in the wider social context. Knowledge as given, knowledge evolves. So you can see here linear exposure, here multiple and divergent exposure. So here you can see the 5 pillars of psychology: biological, cognitive, developmental, social and personality, mental and physical health. Now the main thing is the levels of teaching. From here many questions come every year. Means out of 5 questions, you can say 1 question will definitely come from the levels of teaching. So here it's a pyramid, teaching pyramid. So the bottom one is the first step, means when we are babies, when we are just learning things, just learning how to walk, learning how to talk, that is the autonomous development. Then the second step is memory level. Memory level, it is the higher domain. Now memory level, this is least thoughtful. And then comes the understanding level, that is thoughtful. And the topmost level is the reflective level, that is the most thoughtful, reflective. Okay, so let's see all the stages in detail. Autonomous development level. Please be attentive because these are important. Autonomous development level is student centered. The teacher's function in the process of teaching is more negative than positive. मतलब टीचर का कोई रोल होता ही नहीं है बोलने के लिए, बच्चा खुद ही सीखता है, टीचर रहता ही नहीं है. Is more negative than positive in the sense that there is little or no leadership, direction, question, prescription or imposition of student thought or behavior. कोई लीडरशिप नहीं रहता है बच्चे के ऊपर. इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट इज़ समथिंग दैट जस्ट नेचुरली हैपन. मतलब वो कोई नहीं सिखाता है कि आग में हाथ मत दो, क्योंकि आग में अगर आप हाथ देगा बच्चा तो वो खुद समझ जाएगा नहीं मेरा हाथ जल रहा है, तो उसमें कोई सिखाता नहीं है, वो अपने आप सीखता है. The obvious implications of this is that there is no need for any kind of formal teaching. The three major levels as mentioned in the syllabus have been shown above. The memory level. Now comes the memory. Herbert is the main proponent of the memory level of teaching. Good memory includes rapidity in learning, stability of retention, rapidity in recalling, and the ability to bring one desirable content to the conscious level. Here the teaching learning process is basically a stimulus response. It is the initial stage of teaching. Teaching and learning at memory level are basically about committing factual material. मतलब रटना, याद रखना. memory level नाम से पता चल रहा है बस memory का काम है. The three major aspects are learning of the material, सीखो, retention of the material, उसको मतलब एकदम टिका लो, उसको एकदम स्टिक कर लो. एंड देन रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ द मटेरियल एज एंड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड. आपने सीख लिया, आपने रट लिया, फिर एग्ज़ाम में आपने रिप्रोड्यूस कर लिया, एग्ज़ाम में आपने जस्ट उसको याद करके लिख लिया उत्तर. Objectives of memory level teaching. The main objective is imparting knowledge and information to the learner. Knowledge gained by the learner is basically factual, but facts रहते हैं. डेट क्या है, उसका नाम क्या है, वो कहाँ पर रहता था, वो कब हुआ था ये इंसिडेंट, मतलब facts, just facts, which that is acquired through memorization or rote learning. It covers only the knowledge-based objectives of Bloom's taxonomy. It will be discussed in my next sessions. What is Bloom's taxonomy? The teaching is subject-centered. Simple, memorable things are taught to students. The subject material is well organized and simple in nature. The subject matter is simple. The knowledge delivered is definite, structured, and observable. Teaching method. The teaching is subject-centered and so are the teaching method. Drill, review, revision, and asking question. Drill and practice means repetition or practice to attain proficiency. मतलब बार बार रटो, बार बार पढ़ो, रिपीट करो ताकि आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाए, आपके दिमाग में बैठ जाए वो चीज़. Review or revising the element relates learners to new experience and form new association. The question technique is used to examine whether or not knowledge level objectives of teaching have been achieved. क्वेश्चन टेक्निक, हम पूछते हैं बच्चों को, बोलो तुम्हें याद है क्या नहीं, बोलो इसका जवाब क्या होगा. तो ऐसे करके टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं. Teacher's role is stage setter, resource manager as well as the evaluator. रोल मतलब टीचर ही सब कुछ है इस स्टेज में. रोल ऑफ लर्नर. लर्नर का रोल यहाँ पर पैसिव है क्योंकि लर्नर खुद ब खुद कुछ नहीं सीख सकता. टीचर मटेरियल्स देते हैं, टीचर पढ़ाते हैं और वो जस्ट रटता जाता है. As the subject content, teaching techniques and teaching methods are decided by the teacher. टीचर ही सब कुछ डिसाइड करता है कि मुझे क्या पढ़ाना है. The role of learner is important while framing objective, curriculum, selecting teaching learning activities, methods of teaching and evaluation. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. Teaching equipment क्या क्या यूज़ होता है, फिर nature of motivation, evaluation system for learners, you can see. Psychological basis of memory level of teaching. Memory level is meant for starters. The learners are at the pre-operational level of cognitive development in the school. Then suggestions for memory level teaching. And then we will be studying the understanding level of teaching. Okay, understanding. The second, or you can say the third stage. Autonomous is the first one, then is the memory, and then the understanding level. Okay, so I think I should wind up the class, the session, as the video is getting longer, and I will bring this part tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you liked this session, and if you really liked it, please subscribe to my channel as much as you can, and I will be bringing daily sessions on paper 1.